Regional motorists are hit hard at the Bowser.
And temperatures have been steadily on the climb this week, but there is some rain on the forecast. How much? Details.
This is Prime 7 News at 6 with Madeleine Collington.
Good evening. Oil is trading at record lows and drivers expect that to soften the cost of petrol. But people in regional areas are still feeling the pinch at the Bowser.
Petrol prices in Sydney have dropped below the $1 a litre mark at 3 petrol stations across the city, the average price sitting at around $1.06.
It's cheap in Sydney because world oil prices have been falling consistently now for a number of months. We're starting to nudge record lows.
Crude oil prices have dropped around 20% this year to $28 a barrel, 6 months ago sitting at around $65. But regional areas aren't feeling the relief. In Tamworth, unleaded as high as $1.22 a litre.
Unfortunately, the reality is that there is less competition in the regional centres and therefore the oil companies know that they can pretty much charge what they want.
Member for Northern Tableland's Adam Marshall has been battling alleged cartel behaviour from Armidale's petrol stations. He believes Sydney's cheap prices are proof something dodgy is going on, but admits regional areas will always have to pay higher prices.
To be paying the sort of costs that we are in our region at the moment, particularly in Armidale, is absolutely ridiculous.
Businesses have the right to set their own prices, but with oil trading at record lows, consumers would like to see those savings passed on.
Well, it is still quite expensive. I think it could be a bit cheaper.
Overpriced. Just come back from Queensland, it's like 30 cents cheaper a litre.
Rochelle Murdoch, Prime 7 News.
Armidale Dumeric Council has done a backflip on plans to construct a multi-million-dollar library. Council's Library Committee met this week to discuss the future of the development, which is facing issues off the back of the Fit for the Future process. The committee resolved not